Hello my YouTubers! Boring unboxing video coming up for you. I just thought I'd film a quick one. Haven't seen you guys in a while. And I got this in the mail yesterday. Direct delivered from Home Depot. They were a day late from their estimated time of arrival, by the way. Anyway, let's, without any further ado, cut into this box and show you what we got. This is the Cordless Makita vacuum. HEPA filter. Heard good things about it. I picked one up. I needed one for a job that I was doing actually the day that this arrived. It was supposed to come the day before. Did not get to use it. So, LXT brushless Makita vacuum. If you're curious, it is part number XCV117. You probably don't care. Anyway, let's see how it comes packed for you guys. Just because that's what I do. Right on top, awesome, some fire starter. I'm going to put it over here in the fire starter pile. Look at that. No styrofoam to be seen. Not yet, at least. By the way, I do have my fire going. It's a cold day out there today. Jeez. So, what better day to start opening up some new tools? We'll give them a little quick go-around for you. Man, look at that. Nothing else. No styrofoam. Thank you, Makita. I guess they think it's pretty strong and doesn't need protection. Looks like we got a little holder there for your hose. Comes with this attachment right there. Comes with a little attachment right there, little cracks and crevices for you. That looks like it. I'm sure you can get others if you like. Good flexible hose. Whoa, look at that. We'll see later on in the video. It's probably cold. How far that'll stretch out. All right, there we go. Let's see. Let's start. I have no idea. Hey, I've never owned one of these, so who knows? I take one battery, one 18-volt battery. Reason I got that is because I got a lot of Makita tools, so I got lots of batteries laying around, and I'm tired of dragging a cord around. All right, let's go ahead and pop it open and look inside. Latch on each side, pops right off. There you go. Got your little dust sock. It's got a little. Let's undress it here a little bit. We got a little pre-filter foam. And there's a little filter. We'll have to look up some other day how much these filters cost. I'm sure they're proud of them. It is a HEPA vac, so you know you pay premium price. Pay premium price. That's hard for me to say. Pay the premium. See, I can't even say it. You pay a lot. Let's put it that way. HEPA means dollars. But it also means cleaner air, you know. Anyhow, there's your filter. That's how much storage you got for it. I'm sure it says somewhere on this box how big that is. I don't see it. Some more fire starter in there. Yeah. Please excuse that I don't know how big it is because UPS put their sticker right on the back of the box. Let's blame it on UPS. Alright, we're going to get this back in here. Let's see which way it goes. Like that. Click. Click. Hey, it's good size. It's got a hose here that locks on. Has two little tabs. That's nice. You're not going to yank it out. I don't know how many times I've yanked the hose out of my vacuum and I'm still over here vacuuming away and the hose isn't even connected. That's when you look around, see if anybody's looking. Chief, did you see that? He didn't see it. So, man, that's a quick rundown. It's not much to it. It's a vacuum, you know. Oh, look. Oh, I forgot. We got a knob on this side. Let's see if you can see that. It's got a battery indicator there. And it looks like we got suck 1 and suck 2. I'm guessing one sucks less than the other. Let's grab a battery and see. got a 5 milliamp hour battery right there. Let's try battery indicator light. Full battery. I charged it up for you guys. That's on low. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let's see if I have anything around here that it would hook up to. That does not have a hose hook up to port. Anyway, I don't think that's just going to hook up to anything. Let's see. Here we go. Makita track saw. Makita fail. Makita does not make their tool hook up to their tool. That's a one fail for Makita. We're gonna have to find some kind of adapter kit for that. That sucks. It sucks. So let's move over here. I see a pile of dirt. We're gonna try it out. We'll try this little jobber on there. And you know, it'd be good is get some little extensions fit in here. I should send one of those. They do not fit in an extension. That's all right. I think it's kind of made to hook to tools, but we just found out it does not hook to the Makita track saw right out of the box. Man. Anyway. All right, here you go. All right, if you guys can see, I got a pile of shavings here from my chop saw. Even though it is also hooked up to a hose, but you know, it ain't gonna catch everything. It catches 50%. So let's turn it on high suck and see what, let's put it on low first and we'll see what happens. Yeah, it does pick it up, but let's turn it up high and see what goes on. I can't reach in there. Not too shabby. Try the, oh yeah. Hey, that works good. Works good enough for government work. Let's get back over here. Check out this contraption. I went ahead and stretched out this hose just to the point where it was wanting to drag the machine there. And of course, it's going to be different if it's empty or full, but this is good enough. I just want to see how far this hose would reach out before the point where it starts dragging the vacuum around. So let's set you here. Let's get a tape measure. And we're looking at 55¼ inches, roughly, of length on that hose before you start dragging the thing around. So let's see how it goes back. So far, when it's new, it retracts pretty good. I'll come back at a later date after I use it for a while, and we'll see if that thing still has spring in its step or not. But that's it, the little Makita dust extractor vacuum HEPA filter. It's not too bad. It's what I need. You need something to carry in on the job. You're not going to be, you know, you don't need to vacuum up a whole ton of stuff. This is a wet vacuum also, wet dry vac, so you can do either. We'll read the instructions about that. I don't plan to run water through this thing. Home Depot, it was $1.99. Yeah, so it's not a little cheapy, but you sure could spend more. But like I said, I got Makita batteries. We'll see how long they last. Just using this for short periods, it's going to be fine. I'm guarantee that. Do not like that it does not hook up to my my track saw. Excuse my language here, I'm cold. But I do have fire going. It's nice and warm. But that's it. That's the Makita vacuum, guys. If you're looking for one, that's what you'll get. Very basic, you know. Whatever. I'm a basic kind of guy. That's a Makita vacuum for you. Makita. Alright. Hey, at least it's cute. Anyway, like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks for everybody who watches my boring unboxings. I try to make this one quick and simple for you. I'm over here rattling off too long. Most of you guys already clicked on to my next video. Which, go check them all out. Show me some love. I'm going to find something else to video for you guys soon. Try not to stay away so long. Thank you. Have a good evening.